Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can find best EU suppliers for dropshipping and some of the best EU dropshipping suppliers right now. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started with the video. So the first on this list is Pocket. This is one of the best EU dropshipping suppliers right now. As you can see, you can sell with ease. You have up-to-date inventory, best quality products and pictures as well, and great profit margin, and you also have super fast delivery. This is one of the best US and EU products. If you want to sell EU products as well, you can sell them through Spocket. As you can see, you have a lot of different things. You can try the products yourself as well by ordering a sample, right? And as you can see, all you have to do is just get started. The pricing for this is, as you can see, $57 a month if you want to go with the most popular one, or if you want to go with Pro, it's $24 per month. So that's pretty much one of the best EU dropshipping suppliers on today's list. Second one is a Big Buy. As you can see right here, Big Buy is also one of the best EU dropshipping suppliers. Now, this is great if you want technology, right? If you want to sell, stuff like that. You have dropshipping wholesaler, you have right here wholesale selling, right? Multi-channel integration, integrations, online sale channels, marketing resources. So you have all in one supplier right here. And if you want, you can just go get to know us, and then here you can see basically everything about them, right? So you can obviously, as you can see, wholesale price on single units, dropshipping wholesaler with its own stock, right? So you can go here and become a distributor, or you can basically go and see how it works, working with them, right? So that's the second EU dropshipping supplier. Third is CJ Dropshipping. Now CJ Dropshipping is great for EU sellers. Obviously, this is not directly an EU supplier, it's coming from China, but you can definitely go and use this for selling your EU products. I think it's a great product. Definitely something to consider if you want to sell in EU. Now, number 3 on this list, or number 4 actually, is SaleWho. And now SaleWho is great because, as you can see, you don't hand your business to a stranger. Do business with suppliers you can trust. So as you can see, it's so easy. Right here, you can see the testimonials from Amanda right here. So basically, the pricing for this is, as you can see, $67 for annual access. So this is per year, right? It's very much, affordable for everyone that wants to start a dropshipping business, right? So if you want, you can just go to SaleWho and you can get started right now with them. Now, number 5 on this list is called CNC. Now, as you can see, you can discover 6 million plus dropshipping products worldwide, and you have over 12,000 trusted brands. Automate the products, uploads, updates, and other synchronization. So as you can see, this is one of the most popular EU dropshipping suppliers, as well with the Spocket, right? And as you can see, you have retailers here. You can sell on CNC directly. You can dropship as well. You have automotive, bags and wallets, beauty products, stuff like that, right? You have everything right here. If we go to pricing, we can see that the pricing for CNC, if you want to sell through it or on it, is $29 a month, or starter plan $0 a month, right? Now, if I want to recommend 1 or 2 dropshipping suppliers, I would definitely recommend CNC and Spocket for the starters, because those are those are 2 of the best EU dropshipping suppliers right now. So if you have any questions or maybe comments around this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.